welcome back to my channel, guys. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video, guys, let's have an engine tour. So as you can see, guys, I am now entering in the entrance of engine room. Just I joined this vessel, guys, and I have to familiarize myself with this engine room. So as you can see, guys, this is the incinerator with all incinerator, and this part is the upper deck part. At that, as you can see, guys, the first part was the auxiliary. So now let's go down, guys, to the second deck of the engine room. So let's going down, guys. So as you can see, this is our way down to the second deck, and let's proceed to just take a glance there, the main engine side. So before going there, guys, let's come here to that's the gasket tank, guys, and let's go here to steering gear, and that's as you can see, guys, that's the auxiliary engine. So this is the steering gear room, as you can see, guys. And every steering gear there is also emergency fire pump, and that's the tank of hydraulic power pack. So that's the emergency fire pump, guys. And this is the hydraulic steering gear. So as you can see, guys, that's the instruction and the flow of the steering gear, and that's the emergency instruction and how to operate for emergency. So that's the steering gear motor, the rudder stock, and the ram, the steering gear, guys. These are the chemical storage room, also behind the lube oil in buckets. So let's take a look again the emergency fire pump. So let's go out, guys, and proceed to engine room side. This way is the engine room workshop, guys. So this is the engineer's workshop, and it is where all the tools are located, and the welding machines. And as you can see, guys, there is a hypermist motor, and this is the lathe machines, guys. So in this area is the spare parts room, and the electrical workshop also is there in the spare parts room. So let's pass first here. Take a glance in the main engine side, guys. So as you can see, that's the Mitsubishi engine, and the two auxiliary engines are the Yanmar auxiliary engines, guys. So that's the Mitsubishi diesel engine, guys. As you can see, guys, there are exhaust valve spares. So let's go here to the engine control room. As you can see, guys, this is the hypermist local firefighting system. So that's the remote panel of the hypermist, guys. So this is the main switchboard, and this is the engine control room. This is the control for main engine, guys, and the monitor of all parameters. As you can see, guys, these are the part of the engine control room. This is the main switchboard, where you can see the starters, That red was the emergency shut off valve for main engine and generator, guys. So let's go out and proceed to, let's pass here to the way of lube oil tanks and fuel oil tanks, guys. So in this way is the fuel oil tank, lube oil tanks, and right behind there, going there, is the fuel oil tanks, as you can see, guys. And there is diesel oil tanks also. That's the fuel oil shifter. Let's go there down. So that the exhaust manifold of the main engine, guys. So these are the pumps. This side is the purifiers, the fuel oil purifiers and the lube oil purifiers, guys, along with its heaters, and that's the filters, the auto backwash filters, the duplex filters. And now this is the generator, the auxiliary engine, guys. That's the turbocharger of generator, and this is the number 2 generator, guys. So as you can see, guys, in my previous vlogs, there are always 3 generator, guys, but in this shape, in this engine room, guys, there are only 2 auxiliary engines, guys. But these generators is about 500 kilowatt, guys. So this is the main engine, guys, in which the Kobe diesel Mitsubishi UE diesel engine. So the type of this is 6UEC45LSE. So this is 6,840 kilowatt. Maximum RPM is 129, guys. So this is licensed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, guys. Kobe diesel engine. As you can see, guys, that's the ERMA first, the BWTS system, the ballast water treatment system, guys. And let's proceed now at this area. These are the fuel pump, guys, fuel injection pump of the engine. And let's go to the emergency local control of the main engine, guys. So this is the conventional type of cylinder oil lubricator. As you can see, guys, this is the emergency local control of main engine. So this one, guys. So as you notice, guys, this is MC engine, guys. This conventional type of engine is fully equipped with fuel pumps and camshaft, in which the difference from ME and MC engine, guys. So in my previous experience, I am always with the ME experience, guys, but this time I joined vessel with MC. So it's been a while for me to join this type of vessel. So this is experience. This is also engine, guys. And as you can see, these are the transfer pumps, the fuel transfer pump and the diesel transfer pumps. In this area, the third bottom flat cone, guys. These are the tanks here and the ship side valves, as you can see, guys. And that's part of the ballast water treatment system. And let's go here from the flywheel side. And as you can see, guys, these are the lube oil pumps, bilge pumps, sludge pump, the OWS. As you can see, guys, the typical type of engine, conventional engine, guys. So let's go here, the forward seal tank and the aft seal tank. So this is the engine room bilge fuel right at the bottom, guys, and the engine room bilge fuel. So that's the turning gear on the right side, and this is the OWS, guys. And as you can see, guys, the timing table of this engine, guys. So this is the crankcase part. Okay, guys, until here, guys, I hope you learned something about this familiarization of engine room. And if you have any questions, guys, just leave the comments down below. And thank you for watching, guys. This is JB23 vlog. Bye bye, stay safe everyone.